Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix search engine optimization or SEO here on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Fixing and improving your search engine optimization or SEO on your Squarespace account or website is essential for a lot of reasons. It's normally a straightforward process because optimizing your site for search engines helps it rank higher on Google and other search platforms. Once you are logged into your account, go to the website that you are working with on your account by clicking the dashboard. For example, in my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. I'm going to click on it, and we have to remember that we need to follow a checklist of key steps that we strategically need to improve. Number one is going to be adding a site title. All right. So, for example, in my case, I'm going to add a site title for this one. I'm going to click on edit first. What is site title? So, title or a site title is the text that may be indexed by search engines. All right, so basically Squarespace recommends you to keep the title under 60 characters and include one or more keywords. So how do we do that? First of all, now I want you to hover your mouse where you can see the edit site header. You see the site title and logo. I want you to click the pencil icon so we can, of course, optimize the site title. Now, of course, we can add logo here by clicking on the upload file or select file library, which is, I'm going to do that right now. I have a logo here that I haven't uploaded yet. This is going to be the, all right, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on save. The next thing that we are going to do is, now, once it's saved, I want you to click on exit because what we are going to do next is to add a site description. Okay, so where is that located? It's going to be around here on the pages. Click that, and there's going to be a cog icon setting here. And there's going to be an option that says SEO. Okay, so you see the search engine optimization or SEO allows you to improve your ranking in search results. Using these features make it easier to users to find your page when they search for it. Okay, so as you can see, this is going to be the site title. Again, we're going to put in something like this, and you might want to put in an SEO description. All right, the you can add a short like 550 to 300 characters relevant readable description of your site to your SEO site description, such as this one. All right, but the thing is, you need to describe the content of the page. You can also add SEO descriptions to individual blog posts, products, and events. But the thing is, you might want to make sure that you are using say for example chat GPT. I'm gonna create say for example create like that. You can use chat GPT, or you can also use the Squarespace AI to create and improve your content for SEO description, such as this one. Okay, now after doing so, hover back again to the SEO settings. Now in my case, I'm switching over to our Deep Laughs channel. If you haven't already, you might want to click on the subscribe button so you get notifications on our latest content, because I'm just gonna click this SEO description here. It's been optimized for YouTube, so I'm gonna use this as well for my Squarespace site. Now from here, I'm going to put that. Remember, just put in anything from 50 to 300 characters. Okay, once you've done that, as you can see, You also have an option to hide page from search results, but we're not going to do that because what's the point of improving the SEO if we're not going to make it searchable, all right? So these are going to be the characters. And once you're done with it, okay, so you might want to check some information if you click on this. All you have to do is click on save for now. Once you have saved, again on the gear icon, I want you to go to the SEO panel here. And if you wanted to learn more about improving SEO, they have like a guided document for that you might want to check. All right. You see that? So now the next thing that we are going to do is, now the next is you might want to change or add a browser icon because your site's browser icon or favicon gives visibility to your site's brand. The icon may appear in search results, browser tabs, and elsewhere on the web. Now for you to be able to do that, I want you to hover to the website and then click the gear icon on the bottom left corner. You see that? Click on it, and there's going to be the favicon or adjust your site's favicon. Okay, so if you haven't already, you might want to click on replace because doing so will help you improve the site's brand and reach of the SEO efforts. Okay, now after doing so, you might want to click on the bottom left corner again, click on your profile icon. If you haven't already, go to domains. You might want to connect a custom domain, all right? Because using a custom domain rather than the built-in .squarespace.com URL strengthens your brand and makes it easier for potential customers to find in search results. If you have like a website already, you might want to type in your domain. In my case, that's going to be that. Going to enter. Now, after doing so, before you transfer, of course, you need the authorization code. Once you've done that, all you have to do is save and continue. Okay? Now, after connecting your domain, you might want to wait for 72 hours. And then after you connect your domain, before verifying it with the Google Search Console, because verification with Google Search Console, all right, won't work on trial sites because trial sites are hidden from search engine. If your site is trial, publish your site before continuing. And of course, a Google account is required to sign up for Search Console. Okay, as you can see it from here, before continuing, a Google account is required to sign up, and of course, it will help you adding keywords to your site. All right, and some of the best ways for you to do it, as you can see, you can increase all the SEO case studies and learn how other sites have reached more people by improving their site's presence on Google search. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.